you ready for a brand new, fun, spicy, and invigorating workout? Then this is the perfect video for you. You need a light pair of weights. I'm using 1 kilogram. That's for me totally enough today. Grab something to hold on. Make sure you have enough space around you. Do a warm-up first, and then let's jump straight into it. Grab 1 or both dumbbells with the left hand, depending on which resistance you need today. And then let's start with the right hand at the bar. Close the feet together into the 6 belly position. Start by activating your core. Draw the navel in towards the spine. Roll the shoulders back and down. And let's start with the arm. Lift into the first belly position and drop. Lower with control. Lift up for 2 and down for 2. As you can see, we match movements and music. So let's speed it up if you would like to. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Elbow is facing to the side. Keep that nice rounded shape in your arm. Shoulders low. And let's start warming up the shoulders here. Good job. Go for 8 more. 7, 6. And then keep moving the arm like this. We're gonna add the leg. We're gonna add a tendu to the side with the outer leg. It looks like this. Follow me. Let's go. Out and in. Out and in. Both kneecaps facing forwards. Hide the heel, so don't do this. Stay parallel. Extend the legs. Keep going. 8 more. 8, 7. Grow an inch taller. Make yourself great, tall, and beautiful as you are. 4 more. 3. Keep the arm lifted, the leg at the side, and open the arm to the side slowly without twisting your torso. So now you need your core. Stabilize yourself. Maybe grab the chair or bring the hand into your side. All right. Open and close. Speed it up, speed it up. Open. Bring it in. Pull the shoulder blades together into the lower back and breathe. Never forget to breathe. Good. Bring some oxygen, energy, life into your body. Let's go for 8 more. 8. Elbow to the side. 7. Now prepare for the leg move. We're gonna bend the supporting leg slightly to activate the leg even more. And then we're gonna add a side leg lift. Looks like this. Follow me. Let's go. Up and down. Up. It doesn't have to be high. Think more in length. Think about quality. Don't move to the side. Don't tilt to the side like this. Stay upright. Enjoy. We're gonna go for 8 more. 8, 7. Good job. Last 4, 3. Keep arm and leg in the air. Good. And we're just gonna pulse the leg. 8. 7. Work for the abductors and the lateral glutes. Just hold the arm. 4. 3. Now extend the arm. Palm is facing down. Let's bend and stretch the arm. Bend and stretch. Bend and stretch. Keep the elbow at shoulder height. Good job. If it's too much, bring the toes back onto the ground. If you want more, lift the leg again for another 8, 7. Keep up the good work. Come on. Are you ready? Keep moving the arm. We're gonna add the leg. Bend and flex. And stretch and point. Let's go. Bend and stretch. Bend and stretch. Try to stick that heel towards the butt cheek. Okay, now it starts to burn. I'm fighting with you. Come on, embrace that challenge. Get ready to grow. We're gonna go for 8 more. 8 and 7. Flex and point. I know the standing leg is burning as well. Try to lift a little bit more with the help of your core. And then stay bent. And we're gonna drop the arm and the leg. And we're gonna lift. Yes, drop. And lift. You got this. Lovely. Come on, 2 more slowly. Don't sink into your hip. Keep lifting. Press the heel in the ground and then speed it up. Drop and lift. Drop and lift. Yes, amazing. Come on, drop. lift. One more 8 coming up. And 8, 7, 6, almost there, 4, 3, 2, hold it here, and we're gonna bend and stretch the arm slowly first, lower, and lift. It's a biceps curl. Take a rest here for your supporting leg if needed, and then let's speed it up. Here we go. Down and lift. Down, lift. So pump up your biceps. Roll the shoulders back and down. Push your heart forwards and upwards. And then let's add the leg. So tap down and squeeze. Down, I show you the movement from the side. Down, lift. Got that? Hope so. Let's go for 8 more. 8, hop, 7. Keep the left knee behind the right knee. So keep the working leg behind the supporting leg. All right, team, stay bent at a 90-degree angle, and we're gonna punch and kick back. This is a powerful finisher here. Don't move your lower back. Hold the abs in, zip everything in and up. Yes? Come on, punch and kick the bad, negative energy away, creating some space for positive energy. Let's go, let's work. Booty activation, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh my gosh, shake it out, good job. Woo! Take a moment to enjoy, to breathe, to recover. Shake it out, relax, awesome. How are you feeling? Are you ready for the second side? Come on, let's do it together, don't skip. So, I will swing my chair around. I will grab my dumbbell with the right hand now. We will close the feet together, so prepare. Roll the shoulders back and down. Draw the navel in towards the spine. Slightly squeeze your glutes, and then create that rounded shape in your arm. We're gonna lift the arm up for 2 and down for 2. Are you ready? Grow. Wait for the music, and let's start with the beat. Up for 2, slowly first, and lower. Lift up, and lower. Don't lose the elbow like this. No chicken arm here. So embrace your inner ballerina, grow, and then catch the beat double time. Let's go. Up and down. Starting with the arm here. Nice. Up, down. Calm your breath. Activating your core at the same time. 8 more. 7, 6. Make yourself ready to add the tondi to the side with the right leg. It looks like this. Follow me, let's go. Out and in, out and in. Point the foot, tension into all 5 toes. Keep the knee extended, hide the heel, so how not to do it. All right, so turn it in, let's go. 8 more, 8 and 7, 6. Beautiful. Come on, let's grow together. 4, 3, 2. Keep the arm lifted, the leg at the side. We're gonna open the arm to the side slowly first. Don't twist in your torso. So now you need your core. Obliques are closing your rib arches. Straight abs are pulling everything in and up. All right, let's catch the beat. Double time. Let's go. Out and in. Out and in. Don't forget to have fun. Out and in. Nice work. Don't lose your great posture. Keep working. 8 more. 8. Hop. 7. Now let's start to bend the supporting leg. So we have more activation in the quad, in the hip muscles. Good job. And then let's add a side leg lift whenever you're ready. Let's go up and down. 2 rounds here. 1 round consists of 8 counts. All right, 4, 3. Half time is over. Give me 8 more. Let's go. 8. Hop. And 7. Don't tilt to the side. Use that core. It's a nice full body work, isn't it? Let's go. 4, 3. We're gonna keep the arm at the side, the leg lifted, hold, and just pulse the leg. Up, up. Remember, it's not about height, it's about quality, about length. Good, feel that glute, that abductors working here. Now, extend the arm, palm is facing down. I'm gonna bend and stretch the arm. Bend and stretch, bend and stretch. Elbow at shoulder height. Don't move into that hollow back. Pulling the abs in. Bend and stretch. Oh my gosh, you got this. Nice work. 8 more. Woo. 7. We want to include the muscles of the back of the leg, so prepare for kind of a butt kick. So you flex and bend, and you point and stretch. Let's go. Whoop, and stretch. Bend and stretch. Try to pull the heel close to your butt cheek. Flex and bend. Breathe. Yes, 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 we can do it together. Give me 8 more. 8. Good job. 7, count with me. If you need a break, take it. Shake it out and come back stronger. Come on. 4, 3. For the next round, we keep arm and leg bent. Hold it. Drop the arm and the leg slowly first, and then lift. Ooh. Come on, drop. Don't sink into your hip. So press the left heel into the ground and grow a little bit more. Lift from the side of your body. Come on, let's speed it up. And down, and up, down, and up. Lift the leg parallel. So what I don't want is that you turn out. So stay parallel and enjoy the last 8 counts in this exercise. 8, 7, 6. It's super tough for the supporting leg. I know, come on, together we can do 4, 3, 2, and then let's start with the biceps curl. Down for 2 slowly, and pump up your biceps. Down, feel free to bring the right toes on the ground. Find the stability, relax the supporting leg a little bit. Okay, got it. Down, and up. Pump up the biceps, double time. Let's go. Down, and squeeze, and down, and squeeze. Keep both shoulders in one line. Keep that perfect alignment. Elbows close at your chest, at your rib cage. Let's go 8 more, and then prepare for the leg movements. Maybe your leg is still in the air. Don't know. How's it going? Come on. Down, up. Let's add the leg. We lengthen and bend. 2 rounds. 1 round consists of 8 counts. Yes? Got this? Let's go. 4, 3, 2. Halftime is over. 1 more round. 8. Hop. 7. Keep the right knee behind the left. Can you see this? I'm not going for a knee lift. I keep the working leg behind my supporting leg. 4, 3. Keep both bent at a 90-degree angle and punch forwards, kick backwards. Now, this is a strong finisher. I don't want you to move your spine. Keep the control. Now it's booty work. It's shoulder, biceps work. Yes, come on, finish strong. 8, hop, 7, 6. Yes, 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 come on, hop. Enjoy the fire, enjoy the growth. And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Walk it out. Oh, nice. Relax the supporting leg. Good job. Well done. Enjoy a little mood booster afterwards. The energy, the endorphins flowing through your body. Great. Team, let's chat, let's connect, let's work out together in our weekly live stream via Zoom in our online studio over here, or continue with another free YouTube workout over here. See you there.